is Michelle Alo. I started raising butterflies about 8 years ago. I brought 6 caterpillars home. Well, I got 1 butterfly out of 6 caterpillars, found out how many predators there are for caterpillars. So I did a lot of research, and then the next year I raised over 100 monarchs. This is a monarch caterpillar. He's got about 2 more days of eating, and then he'll go into his chrysalis, and 12 days later we'll have a monarch butterfly. I started with the monarchs, and I'm also raising black swallowtails, spicebush swallowtails, and I recently got into some moths. So this is a Luna moth caterpillar. So he's got a couple more days to eat, and then he'll go in his cocoon, and 2 to 3 weeks later I should have a Luna moth come out. I just like watching the whole metamorphosis of the butterfly, from the egg to the caterpillar to the chrysalis to the butterfly. A lot of people have never seen a caterpillar or held a butterfly, and in my educational programs I normally am able to provide them something they've never done before. We're going to be doing this class and see what kind of butterflies and moths we can take pictures of.